Hello friends, welcome to our channel In-house ERP. Today we are going to discuss function text that contains function under conditional formatting in MS Excel. I hope you all doing good. Please do like, share, subscribe our channel so that more interesting content will come to you. So let's come to see practically. This is our database. First we go to home, conditional formatting, highlights and text that contains. So first it by default select Deepak Sharma. Now we choose color and type here JET, so it find that text in database and make or highlight the text. LAKH, you see this highlight the text. So basically this is searching type of function. You write and result will come. So thanks for watching this video. Please do like, share, subscribe, and if any suggestions or any requirement of video tutorial, kindly comment in the comment box. So thanks for watching. Thank you.